Surfing diary on October 24th. Oh, September 24th. Sorry. From 2:30 for 4:30, well, 2-hour session. I did surfing, stand-up paddleboard surfing. One of my club member who enjoyed surfing, he got brand new surfboard, and then he went first. And after then, I went to outside. Went outside with this wish, and then I walk. I watched the ocean. The waves are coming, and the beautiful waves and smoothly, and the set waves are coming. And my club member did the surfing well, and enjoyable, and smoothly surfing coming down. And when I walked to the lake, uh, I brought my surfboard, stand-up paddleboard, and then I walked to the beach side, and then I put my paddle and wrist on the board. After then, and I walked a little bit, and then for exercise, stretching my arms, and then getting balanced. I usually doing my yoga posture and walking, and then I put my hand on my ankle backside on the leg. Then I stretched it and a few times, and by doing that, I got a balance and pour at the same time. After then, I started paddling out. When I paddle out the first time, my strength good, and then so I could paddle out luckily. And also, I did enjoy the surfing and then wave. One of the waves was big wave. I and They take off, and then and I moving to the up the wave, and then almost close down. I feel and I could then follow up the movement of the waves. It might be 1 to 3 seconds, and then I staying on the board almost hang 5 or hang 10, but I didn't move. Just I stood and feeling the speed and wave, and then I focus on guiding, and then still at the moment the waves. Uh, White wave, and then I changed the direction, getting down to moving the other way. It was enjoyable, and surfing was good. Sometimes um, the set waves, big waves come. Maybe tomorrow also wave is good in the morning. And then I would like to enjoy surfing at Mount Pool. And remarkably, that I could surf and in the big waves. That was enjoyable and challengeable, but it was successful to riding with on the top and high performance. Yeah, in my opinion, I got a high performance about it. Uh, that is today our surfing. The best waves of day, and then a few quite enjoyable.